Hi everyone, welcome to my video. In today's video we are going to do smoothie. We have spinach, walnut and chia seed. Spinach is a powerhouse of nutrients like vitamins A, C and K, folate, iron and calcium. Walnuts are a good source of healthy fats, protein and antioxidants. Chia seed also contains fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, protein and various minerals. Vitamins A, C and E as well as other essential fatty acids in this smoothie can contribute to healthy hair growth. Fiber and protein content in this smoothie can help promote a feeling of fullness and satisfaction, potentially aiding you to proper weight management. So it's best to drink it first thing in the morning, then you give time like you even feel so full that you'll not even be hungry to eat that moment. So it will help you to manage your weight. Then maybe you can now eat around 12. So kindly watch till the end, guys.